Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly. First, gather your fresh fruit, sugar, and pectin. Next, sterilize your canning jars and lids thoroughly to ensure a safe product. Then, prepare your chosen fruit by washing it well and crushing it to extract the juice. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful batch of delicious homemade jelly, setting the stage for the next steps in the process. Now it's time to cook your jelly. Combine the prepared fruit, sugar, and pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Continue boiling until the jelly reaches the desired gel set, which you can test using a cold spoon or a candy thermometer. Achieving the right consistency is key for perfect jelly. Once your jelly is cooked, carefully ladle the hot mixture into your sterilized jars, leaving a 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, then center the lids and apply the bands until fingertip tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This crucial step creates a vacuum seal, ensuring your homemade jelly remains fresh and safe for storage. After processing, remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. Once cooled, check the seals. The center of the lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Properly sealed jars can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. Enjoy your delicious homemade jelly. For more great tips and to explore new recipes, check the description below for a link to a fantastic e-reader and other deals. Happy canning!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.